Number 2 is HP SmartTank 7602. Are you a small business owner or a crafting enthusiast looking for a versatile and reliable printer for your Cricut projects? Look no further than the HP SmartTank 7602. This printer is designed for high-volume printing, making it an excellent choice for small businesses and home offices alike. With its automatic two-sided printing and 35-page automatic document feeder, you can easily print, scan, copy, and even fax documents with ease. Its mobile and wireless printing capabilities allow you to print from virtually anywhere using the HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint, or Wi-Fi Direct Printing. One standout feature of the HP SmartTank 7602 is its Magic Touch panel. This intuitive and app-like navigation system allows you to complete everyday print, scan, and copy tasks with ease. Plus, its borderless printing capabilities ensure your Cricut projects look professional and always polished. The HP SmartTank 7602 also comes fully loaded with savings, making it a cost-effective option for low-cost, high-volume printing. You will receive up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles included, with the ability to print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. If you want to buy this printer, see the description box below.